Welcome, everyone. Hopefully, you are having a wonderful day. And we are on to part two of the NBA Hoops 1993-94 Series 2 Hobby Box. Did the first 9 packs yesterday. Got pretty much all the big rookies out of this year on it. Got a Chris Webber, got a couple Chris Webbers, couple Anthony Hardaways. Anthony Hardaway, I did get the, what do they call it? The gold. Why am I having a hard time finding it? The 5th anniversary, basically gold foil card. So that was pretty cool. Main reason I got this, I'm a huge Toni Kukoc fan, and when I bought this, I don't think I realized that it was open already, so figured I'd just rip it and see. Hopefully I can pull one of those. I'm hopeful I can pull a couple of the Toni Kukocs. So we got Mario Elie, John Koncak, David Wood, Trevor Wilson, got a Ken Norman. And there's a Brewer for me. LaSalle Thompson. There's a Lindsey Hunter. 5th anniversary rookie card. Robert Parrish. There's a Hall of Famer there. Mark Bryant. Keith Askins. Rex Chapman. Andrew Lang. And a Sean Elliott. I always forget that Sean Elliott played for the Pistons. He must have only played for them for like half a season, because don't remember him much anywhere else but the Spurs. All right, so we got Irvin Johnson, Mike Brown, Anthony Bonner. Got a Clarence Weatherspoon, Terry DeHare, Kevin Edwards. There's a Randy Brown. And there is a card attached to this. So another David Robinson. Fortunately, a little bit stuck. Hopefully. So pulled one of these cards already. And they are the commemorative are one in every 18 packs. So you were going to get 2 of these per box. So basically, it's celebrating 5 years of NBA hoops with the David Robinson rookie card. Gerald Padillo, Lionel Simmons, Jamal Mashburn rookie, Moses Malone, and Rex Walters. So I have a feeling I'm going to probably get most of these cards, most of these rookies, like 5 or 6 of them. Because I think the Rex Walters I already pulled 3 times out of the first 9 packs I did. All right, so we got Tom Hammonds. There's a Tim Hardaway, Detlef Schrempf, Tom Chambers, Eric Anderson. There's a Reggie Williams, Antonio Davis rookie card on the foil. And there's another card attached to that. And it is a Magic All Rookie Team. And it is the Anthony Hardaway. Did have some paper loss on it, unfortunately. So the Magic All Rookie Teams are 1 in every 30 packs. So that would be my only one of those I'm getting. Matt Geiger, Eric Riley, Greg Anderson, and a Kurt Rambis. All right, we got Chris Gatling, a Larry Nance, Hershey Hawkins, Sleepy Floyd, and another Anthony Hardaway rookie card. Corey Blunt, a LaSalle Thompson in the 5th anniversary. Popeye Jones rookie, Eric Lechner, Dwayne Shinsus, Frank Johnson, Chris Mills, Blue Edwards. There's a Buck. Chris Dudley. All right, Todd Litchie. There we go. There's the Toni Kukoc All right. Then we got the Calbert Cheney rookie, Kevin Brooks, a Charles Barkley, Rich King, an Andrew Lang, Christian Laettner, Tony Campbell, a Akeem Olajuwon, Dana Barros, Benoit Benjamin, and Judd Buechler. Alright, so we got Bobby Hurley rookie card, Fat Lever, Warren Kidd rookie, Derek Coleman, Malcolm Mackey, Jay Goodinger. We got the Tom Chambers 5th anniversary card, Sam Bowie, Chris Corsiani, Scott Haskin rookie, Derek Harper, Lucius Harris, and Greg Graham. So far I've still not gotten, actually I've gotten all of the, I haven't gotten an Admiral's Choice card. So that's the only insert card I haven't gotten yet. So we got Josh Grant and Felton Spencer, Eddie Johnson, there's a Dennis Rodman, Larry Krystkowiak, Steve Kerr, Hershey Hawkins. Here's probably another insert card. Kenny Anderson, there we go, there's Admiral's Choice, Kenny Anderson. Joe Klein, Bobby Phils, Sean Kemp, Harvey Grant, and Willie Burton. I think the only shot I have as in a Jordan in this is in the Supreme Court insert. So we got Henry James, Jason Williams. There's a Chris Webber rookie card. Luther Wright, Scott Burrell. Oh, there we go. That's a cool one. The Magic Bird. All right. So that was always one of my more favorite cards. We got Steve Kerr in the the Supreme Court, Akeem Olajuwon. All right. Always one of my favorite players. I don't think too much, not really any paper loss on it, so that's a good thing. And we got Dan Shays, another buck for me. Ken Williams, Jim Less, Darren Morningstar. All right, last pack of this stack. We can get another Kukoc out of here. Well, we got a Hall of Famer at least in Patrick Ewing. Rodney Rogers, rookie card. Jeff Grayer, Kendall Gill, a Karl Malone. Randy Brown, Gerald Padillo. And then we got Manute Bol, father of Bol, Danny Manning, Vincent Askew, an Allen Houston rookie, Nick Van Exel, and last card of this stack, AC Earl. So not a bad couple of packs. Bunch of Hall of Famers, like that Akeem card right there. And the Magic Bird card is pretty awesome. Nice rookie with Chris Webber. A couple more Hall of Famers. My nice Tony Kukoc auto. A couple of Anthony Hardaways. So, pretty good. Take that. Still got another 2 stacks to go. So we'll see how those go. But yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you can, please check out my eBay page. It is BGM Cards 511. I will put a link in the description. Enjoy the rest of your night.